So you want to make money online and launch a business. You've got the drive, the ambition, and a dozen late-night Google Docs filled with ideas. But you're frozen, paralyzed, stuck on the very first and maybe the biggest choice you have to make. Should you build a business that generates active income or one that creates passive income? You've heard the gurus on both sides. One promises the security of cash flow now, while the other sells the dream of making money in your sleep. The fear of picking the wrong path is real. It's the kind of decision that's so heavy, it stops you from making any decision at all. But what if I told you that in the next few minutes, we're going to completely shatter that paralysis? This isn't just another video listing random ideas. This is a framework. By the end, you'll have a simple, powerful way to decide which path is right for you right now. Not for some influencer with a trust fund and not for someone with 80 hours a week to burn. For you, your goals, your resources, and your timeline. And we won't stop there. We'll then walk through exactly how to pick a profitable niche that actually fits that choice. So if you're ready to trade confusion for clarity and finally get moving, you're in the right place. Step 1, the agitation. Why this choice matters so much. Let's be honest for a second. The reason this decision feels so huge is because it is. When it comes to how to make money online, choosing the wrong model for your current situation can lead to total disaster, and I've seen it happen again and again. Picture this. You get seduced by the allure of passive income. You decide to build a huge authority blog with affiliate links. You spend the next 12 months pouring every spare hour and every last dollar into creating content, learning SEO, and building backlinks. But you needed to make money way faster than that. Now, a year has passed, you're deep in the red, your motivation is shot, and you're about to burn out with almost nothing to show for it. The passive dream just became a real-world nightmare because you didn't have the cash to survive the startup phase. Now, let's flip the script. You go for what feels like the safer path, an active income business. You start a freelance social media agency. The money is good and it comes in fast. But fast forward 3 years. You're successful, but you're also trapped. You haven't built a business, you've built yourself a high-paying job. You can't take a vacation without the income stopping cold. You can't get sick, you're working more hours than you did at your old 9-to-5, and that dream of freedom feels further away than ever. Your income is, and always will be, capped by the number of hours in your day. This choice isn't just about how you make money, it's about designing your life. It's the difference between building a cash-generating machine and building yourself a golden cage. The wrong choice wastes your most valuable assets, your time, your energy, and your startup money. That's why we have to get this right from the start. Step 2, the solution part 1, decoding active versus passive income. Before you can choose your path, you need to understand the map. In the world of making money online, the terms active and passive income get thrown around so much they've almost lost their meaning. So let's clarify, no fluff. First up, active income. This is the most direct way to make money. It's income that results from your continuous, direct effort. Think of it like a faucet. When you turn the handle, meaning you're actively working, money flows. The moment you stop turning that handle, the money stops. This includes your salary, hourly wages, and most importantly for us, income from businesses where you are the essential, hands-on operator. Real-world examples? We're talking about any kind of freelancing, writing, graphic design, web development. It's consulting, it's running a traditional shop or cafe where you have to be there. It's starting an agency where you manage clients, or providing services like personal training. In all of these, your time and your skills are the product. The huge plus of active income is speed and predictability. You do the work, you get paid. This gives you immediate cash flow, which is non-negotiable if you have bills due next month, not next year. The startup risk is often lower too, since you might not need a ton of cash to get started, especially if you're selling a service. But the downsides are why so many people are looking for an alternative. Your income is fundamentally capped by the hours you can work. There's a hard ceiling on how much you can earn. You're trading time for money, 1-to-1. This means vacations, sick days, and holidays all mean zero income, which is a fast track to burnout. Now let's look at the other side, passive income. Passive income is money earned with minimal to no ongoing daily effort. It's all about building an asset or a system that works for you, even when you aren't. The IRS defines it as money you get from things like rental properties or a business you don't materially participate in. The best analogy is planting a tree. It takes a big upfront investment of time and energy to plant and nurture it. You have to water it, protect it, and wait. But once that tree is mature, it bears fruit year after year with just a little maintenance. So, what do these, quote, money trees look like? This is where you find businesses like content-rich websites or YouTube channels earning from ads and affiliate marketing. It's creating and selling digital products like online courses or ebooks that you build once and can sell forever. It's investing in assets like real estate or dividend-paying stocks. Other examples include automated e-commerce stores or even renting out assets like vending machines.
The magic of passive income is its incredible scalability. Your earning potential isn't tied to your time. An online course can be sold to one person or 10,000 people with basically no change in your effort. This is how you build true long-term wealth. But, and this is a big one, it is not get rich quick.
Almost every passive income stream needs a major upfront investment of either your time or your money, and usually a lot of both. It's not unusual for a new blog or YouTube channel to take a year, sometimes longer, before it makes any real money. And let's be real, passive is almost never 100% passive. Even the best systems need some upkeep and oversight. So we have two different paths. One offers speed, the other offers scale. Neither is better, they're just different tools for different jobs. The key is to figure out which tool you need right now. So stay connected with Corcel Finance for looking second part of this video, how to make money online. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and must click on Bell Ebb a Beer More update. So meet after next video. Thanks.